In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare login problems. If you're having trouble signing into a website protected by Cloudflare, the issue is often caused by stored browser data, a browser extension, or even your network connection. The good news is that there are a few simple things you can try before assuming the site itself is broken. First, go to the website where you're seeing the login problem. In your browser, click the Settings or Site Information icon near the URL bar. Depending on the browser you use, this may look like a small lock icon, sliders, or another site control symbol. Once that menu opens, look for the option labeled Cookies and Site Data. Select that option and then click Manage. This will open the controls for the saved cookies and site data connected to that specific website. From here, delete all cookies and site data for the site you're trying to access. This is helpful because old or corrupted session data can sometimes interfere with Cloudflare's security checks or cause login loops. After deleting that data, refresh the page and try again. In many cases, this is enough to solve the problem right away. If the page loads properly and lets you sign in, then the issue was likely related to the browser's stored data. If you still see an error after refreshing, the next thing to try is opening the website in an incognito or private browsing window. This is useful because those windows usually do not run your browser extensions by default, unless you have specifically allowed them. Extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can sometimes stop Cloudflare from working correctly, even if they are helpful on other websites. If the site works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your regular browser extensions is interfering with the login process. In that case, you can go back to your normal browser window and temporarily disable extensions one by one to identify the cause. Lastly, try enabling or disabling your VPN, depending on whether you're currently using one, or switch to a different internet connection. For example, you can move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from one network to another. Cloudflare may block or challenge certain IP addresses, and changing your connection can sometimes resolve that immediately. If the problem still persists after all of this, then the issue may be on the website's side rather than yours. In that case, your best option is to wait a bit and try again later. That's all.